So today we will be working on another exercise. We will be importing data from a single source and use in the table visual, right? So I've already downloaded the file. I will just go on the Power BI. I will click on Excel workbook and I will click on the data that I wanted to import, the moving data, and then I will click on the boxes table and click load. Then it will get loaded. So now if you see in my right hand side, the boxes table got loaded. Now what we need to do, we need to add a visual using the preferred method and the column, right? We will add one table where we will add room, then the average weight per kg and some cost. So average weight, we will take it as average, and cost we will take it as the sum of the cost, right? So this is the table. It's how it looks like now. uh, Average, and then it says saying that rename the sum of the cost to total cost, and this, okay, now we need to rename. So for renaming, we can name it as total cost from here directly. And as you know that the cost is in the rupees or in the dollars or in the euros, so we can take it as the currency, and it's now in the dollars, and if we want we can take it in some other currencies also. So this is how you make it into the currency. And if you want something, title or some extra thing here, you can also add it here just by clicking on the visuals. Go on the format your visuals, and in the general, in the title, click on and then write the title name as the site has mentioned, room cost and weight report, like this, room cost and weight report, right? And you can give a background color like this, and not like this, it's too dark, it's now cool. And you can increase the font size from here. So this is how our table looks like, and the side table look like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.